In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see events in Salesforce. To get started, open Salesforce and log into your account. Once you're signed in, you'll arrive at the main Salesforce home area. From here, the quickest way to find your events is through the App Launcher, which is the grid icon usually located near the top left corner of the screen. This menu helps you move between different Salesforce apps and tools, so it's the best place to begin if you want to access your calendar quickly. Click the App Launcher, then use the search bar to look for Calendar. When Calendar appears in the results, select it to open your Salesforce Calendar. This is where your scheduled events are organized and displayed in a way that makes them easier to review. Once the calendar opens, you'll be able to view your events in different formats depending on how much detail you want to see at once. You can switch between day view, week view, and month view. Day view is helpful if you want to focus closely on a single day schedule and see specific time slots more clearly. Week view gives you a broader picture of your appointments and meetings across several days, which is useful for planning ahead. Month view is great when you want a high-level overview of everything coming up over a longer period. As you look through the calendar, simply click on any event to open it and view its details. This is useful if you want to check the time, description, or any other information connected to that event. If you're reviewing multiple meetings or trying to confirm a schedule, opening the event directly is the fastest way to get more context. If your calendar looks too busy or you want to focus on certain types of events, you can use filters or calendar settings to customize the view. This can make the calendar much easier to read and help you find the information you need faster. Adjusting the display can be especially helpful if you work with a lot of scheduled activities throughout the day or across different teams. That's all it takes to see events in Salesforce. Log in, open the App Launcher, search for Calendar, choose the view that works best for you, click into Events for more details, and use filters or settings to tailor the calendar to your needs. Once you get comfortable with these options, checking your schedule in Salesforce becomes quick and straightforward.